bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Common reasons for a dog coughing and gagging include respiratory infections, such as kennel cough, tracheal collapse, or allergies. Heart disease may also cause these symptoms. If your dog is experiencing persistent coughing and gagging, it's important to consult your veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan to ensure your dog's health and well-being.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.